Hi, this is a video on how to drape a sari. Uh, this was requested once before when it was my first video on YouTube where I was showing my outfit of the day, which was of course a sari, and I got a comment saying that they want to see a video on how to drape a sari. I did not do it because I don't know, I was just not able to film it somehow. But now I finally decided to do it, and if you want to see how to drape a sari, then please keep on watching.
Guys, just a disclaimer before we begin the video. I'm not trying to expose my body or flaunt or anything. I tried putting a t-shirt on, but it somehow did not work. This is how you're supposed to wear a sari, and that's what I did. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and now let's begin.
Okay, so you start off by tying a knot at the corner so that your sari, the end of the corner of the sari does not slip out when you drape it completely, because sometimes that happens. And then you start draping from this end. It depends on how big or small your waist is. If you have a bigger waist than me, then you can start tucking from this side, but since I have a small waist, I'm going to start tucking from here. So just turn around and keep tucking the sari. And once you've reached here, just leave some fabric and take the pallu and just gather this pallu completely, and then hold it in the other hand and wrap it around, taking the top part in your hand. Just wrap it completely and put it on your shoulder. So just leave it like that. We'll fix the pallu later on. And then take this end of the pallu and tuck it in once again. Now tuck the sari in a way that we have this long piece of fabric here, this hollow part right here in front of you. Okay, and these are the pleats that we are going to make, I mean with this remaining fabric. So take this side again, and so take this end here and hold this part with this hand and keep your pinky here. The index finger will be here. These three fingers should be outside. Your middle finger, your ring finger and the pinky should be outside. The index finger will be here, and just hold it with your thumb. Now repeat this part. I'll show you once again, okay? So we are holding this right here, and then hold it with your thumb. Go back again, hold it with the index finger here, and then hold it again with your thumb, again with the index finger and the thumb, and then keep repeating it until the entire fabric, the hollow that we made with the fabric, is completely done. So now that you've reached this part, hold all the pleats together and just see how much length you want, and then just tuck the entire part inside like this. Okay, so now what we'll do is we are going to fix the pallu. So just take the end. You can also leave it like that, and this will also give a very nice look. If you want to like pin up the pallu properly, then what you can do is again the same thing. Hold your pallu like this and then repeat how we did the pleats. Take this end of the pallu and put it outside, and then again in, then again out, then again in, again out and in and out and then in. And then when you are done with that, just take all the pleats together and put on your shoulder properly. And of course you have to pin up the pallu. Make sure that you have gathered all the pleats together, otherwise one of the pleat might just slip off from the pin. And what you can also do is to make your pleats look proper, you can just gather all the pleats, fix it properly, and then also you can tie a safety pin, or just put a safety pin here also. So I'll show you the finished look. Okay guys, so that was it. I know that I was not really able to explain all the steps properly, but I tried my best. I'm not that good at explaining especially when it comes to draping sari, but at least I hope you saw what I did and that probably helped you somehow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.